finally got it, boys. The bumper has finally came, and I can't be more excited, y'all. Look at it. We didn't get like the carbon fiber or high quality options, but that's fine because the car is going to be wrapped, and we're gonna wrap it, and it's gonna look insanely dope. First, before we can even put it on, we have to prep it. If you guys don't know, this is the Ings rear bumper. Actually, one of you guys, part of the TYB family, hooked me up. My boy's at right here, so go ahead and say thank you to him because he hooked us up with a great deal. Susie is now, version 1 of Susie is now gonna look unbelievably dope. So yeah, we got the Ings rear bumper, and you know, it's a little bit banged up, not too much, you know, just regular fiberglass type of scratches, but we will get her all prepped and get her all looking nice, get all the scratches out, make it all nice and smooth, so that when we wrap the car, this thing looks unbelievable. I'm not sure what kind of like inserts I'm gonna go for the rear. It's gonna be like a honeycomb kind of rear, something similar to this type of mesh grill type of material, just to kind of match it with OEM as close as possible that we can get. But yeah, I'm super excited. Can't wait to get this plan in motion. If you guys are excited for this bumper, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, man. Join the TYB family. Version 1 is coming soon. With that being said, let's go ahead and let's get started with our day. We're on our way to another Cars and Coffee, which should be lit. So yeah, let's go. Before we head to Cars and Coffee, we have to go fill her up with some good elote. We got Mrs. TYB putting some E85 in the car, and you're never allowed to let your woman touch the gas pump, but in this circumstances, I have a very short temper, and I had just recently lost my patience here because this is the only E85 pump that I can use anywhere near my house, and there was a guy at this truck filling up gas here, taking about 20 minutes, and then I was already late. I completely lost my shit, and wasn't cool. So if you guys are suffering or have a short temper or anger issues like I do, it's always amazing to have somebody like her on your side to calm you down, because if she wasn't here, I would probably be in jail right now. Thank you to her. If you guys also have short tempers, please try to seek some type of help or something that will help calm you down, whether it's breathing, you know, anything. You know, there's tricks out there that can help you calm down. I just want to put that out there because nobody's perfect. I'm not perfect. Everybody suffers with their own individual things, and that just happens to be something that I suffer with, my temper. Just had to say that, to say this, and to say that Susie's getting a elote. We're still gonna have a great day. We're not gonna let that get to us. We're gonna put that behind us, and let's continue on before I hurt that man.
Let's take a ride. Let's take a flight.
And we have officially made it to the car meet. There's already so many beautiful cars here, and we will be sure to check out every single one of them. I've already on my way in, I already done peeped quite a few gems actually, so we're gonna have a good time today. The first gem of the day is this Supra right here, and we seen this at one of the last Cars and Coffees, and it's just beautiful, and he's got that thing in the back too. One day we'll have a real Supra. This thing right here is player. I like the mirrors right here. I think this is a Century. It's for sale if anybody want it. The interior on these things is so player. This is like VIP, yeah, VIP Japanese style. We got another Susie right here with the nice carbon. These side skirts are so fire. If anybody knows how to get these side skirts besides just having a carbon fiber edition car, tell me so that I can get them. And the BBs on here is freaking fire. I like his seats. See, they didn't have none of these options when I was getting mine. They want to release all the good stuff later, years later. We got a lot of work to do, but we're getting there. Oh, sheesh. Damn, this thing is beautiful. And I'm talking about the car. And this lane. Oh shit! Oh shit! This lane. I want it. I want it so bad. I want it so bad that I need it. I might just take this one right here. Oh, this thing right here. This one is clean. What kind of, is he have a sequential in this bit? Damn. The wing is just lovely. The JDM bumper, the black taillights, the Tome, the diffuser. This thing is beautiful. And the side skirts, oh my God. And I don't know, are these fenders a little bit wider than the OEM? I'm not sure. But what I am sure of is that this thing is freaking beautiful. Damn, cannot lie. I've been binge searching. I don't know, a lot of y'all we look up cars for sale just as like a hobby in our free time. But I have been dedicating a good 2 to 3 hours of my life every day just looking at Evos for sale. Because I can't get this car out of my head. I can't. I don't know why. There's other cars that I would want before this, but I'm broke. And this is way closer to my budget than, you know, the Mark IV or an R33 GTR, which we will get to. We just gotta make a little bit more pocket change first. But this is a real possibility to add to the channel, because we need another car before we 2J swap the G35, because I don't want to just rack up miles on the Supra like that, even though that's the L mindset, but you know, it is what it is. And this Mustang got some fat things in the back. He has all the grip in the world. A little drag pack. I wonder how much P's this dude pushing. He better be fast. I'm gonna catch him on the way out. 2 more Suzis here. This one's got some cool little carbon in the engine bay. I'm gonna show y'all right now. I don't know, the Celica or something? This thing's pretty dope. Back to the Suzy though. Yeah, he's got some cool little, the carbon cover. I need one of these. The year 2020s did not come with no strut bar, strut brace, whatever. Is that a carbon? That's a stock intake box, but it's carbon though. So I don't know what that is, but yeah, his engine bay is dressed up super nice. We need to get on his level. Whew, this thing is bad boy right here. The black headlights is a must. If you have the clear headlights on a Mark IV, it looks all right, but the black just looks so much better. And you got a fat thing back here. All the fast guys is outside today. Damn. All right, so I'm gonna be honest, I've been looking at these too, but I've been looking at an automatic non-turboed NA Mark IV, and I'd basically just be buying the car just to swap everything, because I can get an automatic non-turbo Mark IV for maybe like 10K more than I can get an Evo for, give or take. You know, prices fluctuate, so and, you know, you got to find certain deals. I don't know, ideas. Then we got 1, 2, 3, 4 R35s, but this color, I love this color. This orange right here is probably, outside of silver, this is probably the color I would get an R35 in, because it just looks so good. And we got the homies Z right here. Y'all seen this one? He's actually getting this Liberty Walk wide bodied pretty soon, so hopefully we'll see that and see that process. That shit should be dope. M3, and this one is manual, so pretty dope. I want to drive this. And of course, y'all know these R33. My boy Supra right here. Let me see if he's selling his hood, because I want this hood so bad. Let me see if he'll sell it to me for a deal. This is my boy Marlo's car, and I don't know if this is D's car or not. If it is, he cleaned this shit up nice. I think it is D's car, but yeah, we have to get a battle between these two in the canyons, because my boy Marlo right here is a great driver. He really be ripping this in the canyons, and this thing is super fun, as y'all seen in the last video. So we gotta get a video with these two in. We got the little cappuccino. I love these cars. Hopefully this generator not too loud, but these cars are so cool. And the fat ass wing, super sick. Maybe one day we'll have one of these just for fun. The MR2, my boy's MR2 is super nice. He's got that good little wing on it. They got the ugliest piece of shit in here. That's probably why they parked it next to this, like in the reserves, because this thing is just trash. I don't know whose shit this is, but so what she's saying is This car is beautiful, but she's tired of the wrap in general, like with cars having this style wrap. And last year and the year before that, it was pretty popular, and now it's kind of like every car has this kind of wrap, but I still think it looks beautiful.
It looks nice. It looks really
I love it. Like, you don't want the Type R front bumper and the wing, the side skirt. Like, you know, your car doesn't have like the hips. Like, the hips on this car are a little wider than on your car. We got the Subi boys. I fuck with Subis. Still would much rather. I'm an Evo boy over a Subi, but this is a Subaru. Yep. JDM, right-hand drive. This car is super sick, super fire. I would definitely wouldn't mind having one of these. I mean, like, I don't think I'd buy it over a lot of things, but if it was given to me, I would appreciate it. S2K with the big wing, you know I can respect it. Little NSX. This thing's cool. Cool, got the carbon emblem. I think this car looks great. It's just lacking soul, and that's why it's not popular. Well, this is the one we seen at the last Cars and Coffee in probably the last video, the one with the R33 on the thumbnail. This Supra has the fattest turbo I've ever seen. I want to hear this. I want to drive this thing. Yeah, you could have that shit. I want this. Forget that. Import over American muscle every day. So there's an AutoZone, and I was watching the homie's Nick video, and he had said something about getting all of the ricer parts for your car, and I think I'm gonna steal that video idea. So Nick, if you're watching, I stole the video from you and I'm still gonna do it. It's all right. Like, yeah, we'd put like a fuzzy ass trash steering wheel cover on the car. Get which one? That one? That's yeah, I'm about to just throw the hubcaps on the Supra. Dang, see, if I was gonna throw the hub keys on here, I'd probably go with like, shit, none of them. And the holy gem. This is what I was looking for right here. This stupid ass roof scoop. This is so trash, bro. Like, this don't even look good on the box. Why is you putting it? Why are you putting a roof scoop on a TC? Oh, listen to it. This thing sounds so good. Oh man. Fuck it. We getting one. I don't care about shit else. We getting it.
It's time I be honest. Jeopardize our love as if I ain't had it, mate.
Y'all, it is now the next day, and as you can see, I got fried, sunburnt completely from the car meet yesterday, but it's all good. That's just what comes with being pale and pasty, you know what I'm saying? But anyways, I decided to continue to vlog today because I just realized that I kind of just barely briefly went over the bumper that we just got, and that's kind of the title and thumbnail of this video. So I just wanted to give y'all a little bit more info and more detail on just, you know, what we have and the issues that come with it, and you know what the plans are and what it's gonna look like. Here it is. Here is the bumper. There's really only minor like scratches. Like, I don't know if the camera's gonna really even tell, but there's like a scratch that kind of goes in. That should be okay to be sanded down. There's just like little dings and stuff like that. It was already put on the car. My boy had already put this on his car, but oh damn, that would have been bad. But yeah, the only major flaw that we have is there's a crack right here, and then this is kind of snapped off. So I brought it to my uncle, and he said we're just gonna pretty much refill this and this or whatever he, you know, the mechanic or body shop terms that I have no idea what I'm talking about, but basically refill it, make it full again, and then re-drill it. And he said we'll probably just refill every single hole, because you know every car is different, so we'll just do that to make sure that it's gonna fit right on Susie. And then sand everything down, prep it, and test fit it and put it on. After all that, this right here, I'm gonna put a screen on the image. This is basically what it's gonna look like just in our color, the color that we decided to wrap the car. So it's gonna look dope, especially with the fat ass wing on the back. It's gonna look super aggressive. I can't wait. But the catch is we can't put that bumper on officially until we get it wrapped, and that's gonna be in about a month or so. But the second catch is we have to wait for the front bumper to come, which I ordered damn near about a year ago, and we're still waiting. I text the shop. The shop is an amazing shop, so I'll put the shop link right here. They're super good. If you guys need anything for your car, whatever it is, I'm sure they'll have it on their website, and super responsive, super helpful. So thanks to these guys right here. But the actual like manufacturers of the bumper, they were still like basically creating it when I ordered it, so I understood that I was gonna have to wait a long time. But anyways, that's besides the point. I hit him up. He said that it's about 2 weeks out, and that was about a week or a week and a half ago. So the bumper should be here hopefully within the next week, so we can start prepping that bumper and the front bumper at the same time in a perfect world, and then we could just go ahead and wrap the car. Because if the front bumper doesn't come in the time frame that we have to wrap the car, I'm just gonna wrap it with this bumper and that bumper on the back, and then hopefully we'll have enough vinyl to wrap the front bumper when it gets here, because it's really up in the air. There's no tracking number, no nothing. It's just, I'm just waiting for some big ass shipment to show up at my door randomly. So I guess we'll see. But you know, that's the update. That's what we're gonna be doing with that bumper. I'm super excited. If you guys have any tips for prepping a bumper, or you know, anything that we need, you know, please feel free to let me know in the comments below, because you know, I'm new to everything. I don't know how to do shit, you know what I'm saying? But I'm excited to learn. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, join the TYB family, and always remember to keep it player.
I got a stay bro, got a blip, we catching hella balls. I love some melon in the dark bitch on a yellow ball. It get nasty when I'm fucking, you can tell it, she get sweaty. He say he getting money, I'm like, hey, who you telling, bro? Dogs catch me running to a bag, I'm in the corner like a Reza. Stella got me teed up.